Alright, so we're gonna make some chicken fried rice today. You're gonna take the chicken breast, season it, chop it up, put it in a pan with oil. Alright, so then you're just gonna stir the chicken until it's a bit cooked, then take it out. Then next you'll add in your scrambled eggs. No need to put any salt or pepper. Scramble it up, and then once you're done, then you can just put them in a bowl on the side. Next you'll put your oil, your chopped green onions, and your red onions. Stir that in there a bit. I added the carrots because they're a little harder to cook down. They take longer. Then add in the rest of your veggies and then your chicken. Then add in your cooked rice. Warm rice is better. And then add in your soy sauce and your sesame oil. And then I like to pat it down to let it get crispy, and then I'll flip it. After that, then it's done. Pretty quick and easy. And then I shall box it for my customer.